enjoying your party? I love you so much with every part of me, Maya. I am honored to be your mom. And I am truly proud every day I see you get up and walk boldly in who you are. You are growing, you're blossoming. You know, you're so bright, you're so smart, you're hilarious. Like, I got a really dope kid. And I love you. I hope that this 11th birthday is the best so far. May every single year get better and greater, and your stories get grander, and your adventures become bigger. I love you again, and enjoy yourself. I look forward to seeing many, 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 many more. All right? Love you. Mwah.
Yeah, cause girls is players too.
Happy birthday, Bestie Magoo.
Happy birthday, Mama. Auntie loves you.
Cause girls is players too. Yeah, money all around the world, cause girls is players too.
Yo, Sumaya. Well, Sumaya, what's good? You already know who it is. If you don't know who it is, that's a problem by itself. Just wanted to pop in, say happy birthday, tell you that I love you. I'm proud of you. I'm super proud of the young woman you have become as you enter into womanhood. You are intelligent, courageous, caring, empathetic, sympathetic, responsible, beautiful, intelligent, and just an overall amazing individual. And I want to recognize that in you and to tell you to continue to keep being that person. Keep being your best you. You already are. Protect that version of you and keep being you. I'm proud of you. Miss you. Sending love your way. You know what I mean? And, you know, I'm going to send something your way. But this is just a happy birthday to my homie, Teriyaki Mai. It's your partner in crime.
Hey Maya, happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday, Maya.
Happy birthday, Sumaya. We love you. We're always thinking of you.
Sorry we couldn't be there for your birthday, but we're going to get to you as soon as we can.
And we can't wait to introduce you to your little cousin Lola.
Yeah, absolutely. You know,
Mwah.
super proud of you. We're always here, man. Keep being a great person.
Happy birthday, Maya. I love you. Happy birthday, Maya. Hope your wishes come true. I love you in spite of your process stink. I love your sweet face and I love the way you think. Happy birthday, Maya. Hope your wishes come true. Happy birthday, Maya. I love you. Happy birthday, Maya. I love you. I love tussling with you. I love talking with you. You are awesome. I love you. Bye.
Average game truck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Happy birthday.